Hey, Hip Hop 143 here.
Flipinface.
And we're supposed to have left to Disneyland at 2 o'clock. It is now 2:34, and the car that we rented, the battery's dead. So we're here at my house. Everybody came. All 44 people are here in my house, waiting for this guy to come fix the car so we can leave. But this is the first video of our Disney trip. And it's gonna be exciting. I'll let Flipinface take it.
Yeah, like we're probably gonna make videos like every day. I mean, every day and every stop. Oh, look at Luigi.
So,
go away, Georgia.
No.
Oh, look, it's pin up 12,452.
Pin up 24,352.
Let me get a YouTube video.
What are you telling them?
That every stop, hello.
Oh, this is our car not starting because our people are bitches at Advantage. Fuck you, Advantage. Fuck you.
Okay, stop. This is for children.
We don't want to get flagged here, alright?
For the children.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, so we're out. So next video we should be in Gila Bend. See you there. Woo! Subscribe, bitches.